Oh, okay.
The start of the Steeplechase Christmas Horse Parade.
Pat, when you put it on Facebook, are you going to make it shareable? Okay, because I want to send it home.
I like your antlers. Yeah? You don't like them? Okay. Nice little antlers. Everybody all corralled up and ready to go. Okay. Hey, you're all dressed up for Christmas, aren't you?
Hi, Candy.
Hey, Candy. Hey, Mark and Mike.
Is this the start? Are they leaving?
Well, it's hard to say. Hey, puppy. How's it going?
Merry Christmas. How are you?
Remember me?
Oh yeah, we remember you.
Hey, I fish with this guy.
Yeah, how'd you like the new canoe John's got?
That's neat. I haven't been out on it
Oh,
yet.
you haven't?
No, I gotta go.
Oh. Okay.
Off they go. Hey, buddy, how you doing?
No, he don't have a treat for you.
He thought I had a treat. Hey, guy.
Did you get a little camera for Christmas?
No, I got it for October. Whoa.
Oh, yes.
Are you stopping to say hello? Good. I was worried I'm going to spook somebody.
Everything out, looking at everything.
Yeah.
You know she doesn't have blinders on, so she can see it all.
Oh, she can see everything. Well, this is not edible, but it's a bite size.
She would like to.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, and I love the feet.
Here we are at 2:20.
Oh, good.
I'll call you back when I get home.
I'm just waiting for the drinks.
He's another parade participant, eh? Yeah. Dressed as a reindeer. Waiting for the parade. Sit.
Oh, that's sweet.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Is he being okay? Where's your helmet, mister?
And here's a very special parade for him.
How can I wear a helmet with a Santa hat? Hello.
Hello.
So is this horse behaving itself?
So. Scaring the pants off me.
Yeah.
He speeds up, he slows down. He speeds up, he slows down. But he's under control so far.
And a cheer arises from the crowd of 1,000.
Merry Christmas. Oh.
And Merry Christmas to you too.
You didn't even sleep it?
I love your hat. What a beautiful hat you've got. The parade grinds to a halt. Mark and Mike again. All right, here's the 6-up contingent here. This is quite something.
I've never seen a 6.
And here they go. I'm missing some subjects here.
No.
What's this horse's name?
Pearl.
Pearl.
The halfling.
Hey, Pearl. My brother still has a halfling, or else he did. And there's the... Whoa, look out. Almost got run over by a giant horse. And I think that's the end of the parade as it recedes off into the distance. They're in beautiful downtown Steeplechase. Welcome to Florida. What is it, December 21st? Yeah.
It's always a great day for them.
All right, we're going to try to talk to Santa, who's pulling up the... Santa, can we have a word with you for a moment?
Yeah.
Okay, so, hey there. What's your faithful reindeer's name here?
This is Miss Rose. She's an 8-year-old Morgan.
Yep.
Yep. Doing a great job.
Miss Rose?
Miss Rose.
Miss Rose. Hi, Miss Rose. You guys
Just
are-
in the week I've seen you, Bob, you put on so much weight.
So, Santa, what's the prognosis for Christmas this year?
Well, the first thing you have to realize, do you know the 4 stages of Santa?
No, I don't. I think you'll
Well-
enlighten me.
Okay, the first stage is I believe in Santa. The second stage is I don't believe in Santa. The third stage, I am Santa. In the fourth stage, I look like Santa.
And with that bit of wisdom, we watch the parade go.
Okay. I have an ATV. If I go this way around